Pop-up album tutorial part 5. On this page we will make a birthday celebration scene. So for that we are using 3 layers of pop-up in this page. For the first pop-up we are making the base and it's broader so that the first layer is more prominent than the second and the third one. The second layer here is going to be like a background scene so that the dimensions are properly visible and they look like a proper scene from the front. When you are making multiple layers in the pop-ups, make sure that you are selecting the sizes according to the elements that you want to stick. A bit of a planning and visualizing the scene in your mind helps to do these things more visually attractive. Now I'm sticking my elements on the pop-up pieces. Now you can see that this is quite visually attractive and you can see the layers properly. Now to give this support to the cake table, since it's a big piece, I am attaching the third layer of the pop-up element. Finally, you can complete the scene by adding some more elements that suits the night scene. After that, I am just going to put some pattern paper to cover my white spaces and also to give the body to the base page. Then we will put some picture mats in the pocket and complete the whole page with a sentiment. I hope you guys are having fun making this. Now let's move to binding in the next tutorial.